Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to talk about rate of interest and processing charges in retail loans with effect from 1st July 2024 in Bank of India. Bank of India is one of the leading public sector bank who is giving lowest rate of interest in retail loan. Concession and waiving in processing charges also available. Bank of India never charges any hidden charge like some other bank. No premium charges. Bank of India's RBLR with effect from 1st July 2024 is 9.35%. Repo rate is 6.50% plus markup is 2.85%. Total 9.35%. Bank of India's MCLR rate with effect from 1st September 2024. Overnight MCLR is 8.15%. 1 month MCLR is 8.40%. 3 month MCLR is 8.55%. 6 month MCLR is 8.75%. 1 year MCLR is 8.95%. 3 year MCLR is 9.10%. All loans at floating rate of interest per annum at monthly rates except otherwise mentioned. Rate of interest. All linked to RBLR or MCLR. RBLR is 9.35% with effect from 1st April 2024 and Bank of India yearly MCLR 8.90% with effect from 1st July 2024, 8.95% with effect from 1st August 2024, same 8.95% with effect from 1st September 2024. The spread is from 1% to 5.50%. GST is applicable from 1st July 2024 to 30th September 2024. Star Home Loan, Star Smart Home Loan, Star Diamond Home Loan, floating rate of interest, category up to 30 years. Civil personal score of 825 and above. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.95%, presently 8.40%. For non-salaried, RBLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.95%, presently 8.40%. Civil personal score between 800 to 824. For salaried personnel, RDVLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.85%, presently rate of interest is 8.50%. For non-salaried, RVLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.85%, presently rate of interest is 8.50%. Civil personal score between 760 to 799. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.65%. Presently rate of interest is 8.70%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.65%. Presently rate of interest is 8.70%. Civil personal score between 725 to 759. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.65%, presently 8.80%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.65%, presently rate of interest is 8.80%. Civil personal score between 675 to 724. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0.00%. Presently rate of interest is 9.55%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0.00%. Presently rate of interest is 9.55%. Civil personnel score below 675 for women beneficiary. For salaried women, RVLR plus CRP 1.30%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 10.65%. For non-salaried women personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.45%, less BSD 0.00%. Presently rate of interest is 10.80%. Civil personnel score below 675 for others. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.35%, less BSD 0.00%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.70%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.50%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 10.85%. Civil personnel score of -1 and 0. For salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.85%, presently 8.80%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.85%, presently rate of interest is 8.80%. Home loans, presently not linked to civil personal score, that is entities other than individuals, and Star Pravasi loan. Note: rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new home loans. For Star Pravasi, women beneficiary, RVLR plus CRP 0.00%, less BSD 0.65%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.70%. For others, RVLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.65%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.80%. In case of home loan takeover, additional BSD of 0.10% is offered, subject to minimum rate of interest 8.40%. Premium of 0.25% over and above the proposed rates of interest to be charged in case of smart home loan of above rupees 2 crore. Please note, rate of interest for Star Home Loan and Star Smart Home Loan and Star Diamond Loan will be based on civil personal score only. CRE RH home loans will attract 0.50% additional rate of interest. Star Home Loan processing charges. Individuals 0.25% of loan amount, minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 20,000. For firms and corporates, 0.50% of loan amount, minimum rupees 5,000 and maximum rupees 40,000. For builder tie-up projects, 0.15% of loan amount, maximum rupees 10,000. Star Diamond Home Loan, rupees 50,000, irrespective of loan amount. Note: concession waiver of proposal processing charges is available up to 30th September 2024. Star Top-up Loan. Rate of interest applicable in respective home loan account plus premium of 0.50%. Processing charges as per home loan processing charge. Star vehicle loan for individuals. Vehicle loans linked to civil personal score. Note: rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new vehicle loans. Four-wheelers and superbikes above rupees 5 lakhs. Repo linked. Star vehicle loan. New four-wheeler and superbikes rupees 5 lakh and above for individuals. Spread is from 0% to 1.50%. Civil personal score or external rating 825 and above or AAA and or AA rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.50%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.85%. Non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.50%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.85%. Civil personnel score between 800 and 824 and A rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently, rate of interest is 8.95%. Civil personnel score between 760 and 799 and triple B rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently 8.95%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 8.95%. Civil personnel score between 725 and 759. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 9.05%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently ROI rate of interest is 9.05%. Civil personnel score between 725 and 759. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 9.05%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 9.05%. Civil personnel score between 725 and 759 and below triple B rated. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 9.45%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 9.45%. Civil personnel score between 675 and 724. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.55%. For non-salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 0.20%, less BSD 0%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.55%. Civil personnel score between 675. For salaried personnel, RBLR plus CRP 1.40%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 10.75%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.50%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 10.85%. Civil personal score of -0 and -1 and 0 for salaried personnel. RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.60%. Presently rate of interest is 9.05%. For non-salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 0.30%, less BSD 0.60%. Presently, rate of interest is 9.05%. Repo linked star vehicle loan for two-wheeler for individuals and non-individuals spread is from 0% to 1.50%. For two-wheelers for salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.75%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 11.10%. For non-salaried and non-individuals, RVLR plus CRP 1.85%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 11.20%. Repo linked star vehicle loan for second-hand vehicles for individuals and non-individuals. Spread is from 0% to 1.50%. For second-hand vehicles for salaried personnel, RVLR plus CRP 1.90%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 11.25%. For non-salaried and non-individuals, RVLR plus CRP 2%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 11.35%. Repo linked star vehicle loan in case of entities other than individuals where external rating is not applicable. Rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new vehicle loans. Spread is from 0% to 1.50%. CMR 3 and better. RVLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 8.95%. CMR 4 and CMR 5. RVLR plus CRP 0.10%, less BSD 0.40%. Presently rate of interest is 9.05%. CMR 6 onwards and no CMR. RPLR plus CRP 0.75%, less BSD 0%. Presently rate of interest is 10.10%. The rate of additional 0.10% CRP will be charged for customers who intend to switch over from BOI, FRR or BPLR or base rate or MCLR to RVLR. Star vehicle loan processing charges. New four-wheeler 0.25% of limit, minimum rupees 1000 and maximum rupees 5000. For two-wheeler and old vehicle 1% of loan amount, minimum rupees 500 plus and maximum rupees 10,000. Note: concession waiver of processing charges is available up to 30th September 2024. Star education loan spread is from 1.70% to 2.50%. Up to rupees 7.5 lakhs covered under CGFS-EL. Rate of interest is RBLR plus CRP 1.70%, less BSD 0%. Presently ROI is 11.05%. Above rupees 7.50 lakhs, RBLR plus CRP 1.50%, less BSD 0%. Presently 10.85%. Star Vidya loan for studies in India in premier institutes, maximum rupees 40 lakhs. Irrespective of loan amount, spread is 0%. Institutes as per list A available on Bank of India website, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 1%, presently 8.35% per annum. Institutes as per list B available at our bank website, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0.50%, presently rate of interest is 8.85% per annum. Institutes as per list C available at our Bank of India website, RBLR plus CRP 0%, less BSD 0%, presently rate of interest is 9.35% per annum. Star Education Loan concessions for girl students 0.50%. All students pursuing professional courses like engineering, medical, management, etc. are eligible for 0.50% interest concession. Maximum concession is 1% per annum subject to minimum RBLR. Processing charges is waived. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Rin Yojana. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 1.50%, that is 10.85%. 1% interest concession may be provided for loanees if the interest is serviced during the study period when repayment holiday is specified for interest or repayment under the scheme. No concession will be available after commencement of repayment. Star Suvidha Express Personal Loan SSEPL. Rate of interest for salaried and pensioner RBLR plus 1.50%, that is 10.85%. For others, RBLR plus 2.50%, that is 11.85%. Processing charges rupees 1000 plus GST. Star Personal Loan Scheme, irrespective of loan amount for individuals, spread is from 3.50% to 5.50%. Rate of interest fully secured RBLR plus 4.50%, that is 13.85%. Clean and unsecured RBLR plus 5.50%, that is 14.85%. For senior citizens aged 60 years and above and for loans up to rupees 50,000, RBLR plus 3.50%, that is 12.85%. Financing secured under tie-up arrangements, RBLR plus 4.50%, that is 13.85%. Star Personal Loan Scheme, irrespective of loan amount and for individuals, processing charges, one time at the rate of 1% of loan amount, minimum rupees 1000 and maximum rupees 10,000. Senior citizen 60 years and above, no processing charges. Bank of India Star Rooftop Solar Panel Finance. Rate of interest for individuals up to 3 kilowatt, RVLR minus 2.25%, minimum 7.10% per annum. Above 3 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt. For home loan customers, same as applicable to new home loan. For non-home loan customers, home loan rate of interest plus 1% subject to minimum RBLR. Rate of interest for registered group housing societies and residential welfare associations, RBLR plus CRP 2.50%. Processing charges is waived for all, that is for individual as well as group housing societies or residential welfare associations. Star Loan Against Property. Term loan for individuals applicable to both new and review of accounts. Repo linked irrespective of loan amount for individuals, that is salaried and self-employed. Spread is from 2% to 3.50%. Residential property. Civil personal score of 760 and above. RBLR plus 0.75%, that is 10.10%. Civil personal score between 700 and 759. RBLR plus 1.25%, that is 10.60%. Civil personal score below 700, only for the purpose of reviewing of account and not meant for fresh sanction, at the rate of RBLR plus 3%, that is 12.35%. Civil personal score of -1 and 0, RBLR plus 1.50%, that is 10.85%. For commercial or industrial self-occupied property, civil personal score of 760 and above, RBLR plus 1.25%, that is 10.60%. Civil personal score between 700 and 759, RBLR plus 1.75%, that is 11.10%. Civil personal score below 700, only for the purpose of reviewing of account and not meant for fresh sanction, at the rate of RBLR plus 3%, that is 12.35%. Civil personal score of -1 and 0, RBLR plus 2%, that is 11.35%. Commercial or industrial non-self-occupied property. Civil personal score of 760 and above, RPLR plus 1.50%, that is 10.85%. Civil personal score between 700 and 759, RBLR plus 2%, that is 11.35%. Civil personal score below 700, only for the purpose of reviewing of account and not meant for fresh sanction, at the rate of RBLR plus 3%, that is 12.35%. Civil personal score of -1 and 0, RBLR plus 2.25%, that is 11.60%. Term loan against property, term loan, other than individuals, only for review. Repo linked irrespective of loan amount, and for individuals, salaried and self-employed, spread is from 2% to 3.50%. Rate of interest is RBLR plus 2%, that is 11.35%. Note: additional 1% to be added in applicable rate of interest in for loan against open plots. Additional 0.25% to be added in applicable rate of interest for overdraft or reducible facility. Term loan against property, term loan. Processing charge for loan repayable by installments. One time at the rate of 1% of sanctioned loan amount, minimum rupees 5,000 and maximum rupees 50,000. For mortgage, OD reducible, 0.50% of the sanctioned limit, minimum rupees 5,000 and maximum rupees 30,000 for first year at the time of original sanction. 0.25% of the reviewed limit, minimum rupees 2,500 and maximum rupees 15,000 for subsequent years. Term loan against property. Processing charges for rural areas. Processing charges will be 75% of those normal applicable charges in respect of loans availed by borrowers from rural areas from rural branches. Mortgage fee limit up to rupees 10 lakhs, rupees 5,000 plus GST. Limit exceeding rupees 10 lakhs and up to rupees 100 lakhs, rupees 10,000 plus GST. Loans over rupees 100 lakhs up to rupees 500 lakhs, rupees 20,000 plus GST. Bank of India Star Doctor Plus Retail Scheme. Rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new loans as well as switch over base rate to MCLR to RBLR. Spread is from 1% to 2% for personal loans. SSCPL Salaried Personnel RBLR plus 1.5%, that is 10.85%. SSCPL for self-employed personnel RBLR plus 2.50%, that is 11.85%. Processing charges rupees 1000 plus GST. Bank of India Star IPO. Rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new loans as well as switch over base rate MCLR to RBLR. Spread is from 3.25% to 4.50%. Up to 60 days, RBLR plus 3.25%, that is 12.60%. Over 60 days, RBLR plus 4.50%, that is 13.85%. Processing charges. One time, 2% of loan amount, minimum rupees 1000 and maximum rupees 10,000. Senior citizen, 60 years and above, no processing charges. Bank of India Earnest Money Deposit Scheme. Rate of interest applicable for sanctioning of all new loans as well as switch over base rate MCLR to RBLR. Spread is from 0% to 5%. Short term, below 12 months, RBLR plus 0%, that is 9.35%. Long term, 12 months and above, RBLR plus 5%, that is 14.35%. Processing charges, one time rupees 500 per application. Bank of India Star Mitro Personal Loan Scheme. Fixed rate. 1 year MCLR plus 1% CRP plus 0.30 BSS, that is presently as on 8 September 2024 is 10.25%. Processing charge waived. BOI Star Reverse Mortgage Loan Scheme. 1 year MCLR plus 2.30% CRP plus 0.30% BSS, fixed for initial period of 5 years, subject to reset clause at the end of every 5 years period. Bank of India Star Reverse Mortgage Loan Scheme. Processing charges. Loan amount up to rupees 5 lakhs, rupees 1250 plus GST. Loan amount up to rupees 10 lakhs, processing charge is rupees 2500 plus GST. Loan amount up to rupees 20 lakhs, processing charge is rupees 5000 plus GST. Loan amount up to rupees 25 lakhs, processing charge is rupees 6250 plus GST. Valuation report fees and advocate fees to be borne by the borrower. Annual service charge at the rate of 0.25% on the loan amount outstanding or recoverable at the time of annual review. Thank you very much for your patience.